A typical day is just repairing casks. Apart from today, we're doing a bit with the apprentices today, making ends. So we're going to wait to make new dumps later on the day. So we're through making ends this morning. I left school in 1989 and I started off a joiner apprenticeship, but got no work. And I knew they were looking down at the cooperage in the town, so I went down there, started the day after. In here, I think we've got 10 coopers and 5 apprentices. The boys will do about 20 ERU, so that's like 20 barrel equivalent. A butt here, we get a bit more ERU for them as we do a barrel, but it's around about 20. Getting rid of all the broken staves out, all the defects. So look there, it's a broken stave. Take them out, put in a new stave. Broken ends, just the same. Just pop them out, put in new ones. We don't often do port pipes. We don't often repair them. They're hopefully just for a finish. So take them in. There's usually a few broken staves in them, but if they're no bad, we just let them go to get filled. So it's maybe just 3 months to be a finish on it. Used to repair these and repair the butts, and you would get like double the money for the butts, but it would take about the same time to do the repair. So we don't like them. I'm from Keith, it's 10 mile up the road, and there's 2 cooperages in Keith, and they've got a lot of apprentices going. Like there's 5 in here. Space side up the road, they've got a lot of apprentices as well, so there's plenty of work.